here she is. She was 9 months in recovery, and now finally she is out of the barn. She's completely been reworked. We've done suspension, brakes, you name it. We've done parts of the engine, and now she is ready to be cranked up for the first time in 9 months. There is still a bit of body work to be done, the clamshells and a paint job, but that's for later on the year. But I will be already happy if she's gonna crank up and I can hear her lovely sound again. So let's give it a try. I hope it will work. I see the alarm is on, so let's turn that off first. That should be turned off. Fellows, I'm just back from a little test ride with the Elise, although it's not street legal for the moment, but okay, who knows, right? And the brakes feel good, the suspension is good, steering is okay, road holding is really good, and the engine as well. So I'll still have a bit of work on the engine actually. I'm going to change very soon the timing belt and the spark plugs and the oil and the filters. That's still something I want to do very soon, so you'll see that in my next videos. And then I have still a bit of body work to do. I still have to put the clamshells on. Now if you guys know anybody who has a clamshell in the front and the back, I'm more than interested. So please drop me a comment or something like that if you know someone. And then I still have to fix one of the sills. And this is a complete sill, but I don't need the whole sill. I only need the top wing here to repair the left hand side. So I will cut this off and then I put it all back together and we mold it together and we glue it together, and you'll see that when I'm going to do that. Because taking off the whole sill, that's one hell of a job, and that's not necessary for just the top part, which is kind of gone. So keep watching guys, because that's coming in my next videos. And for now, I'm going to say goodbye to you, and I'll see you in my next video. And please comment as much as you want. If you have any tips or recommendations, please let me know. Thank you for viewing. Bye bye.